Well, hello. I just want to share with you some things about building your credit. Hi, my name is Michelle Chambers. I am a real estate broker in Texas, a real estate agent in Alabama, a mortgage loan officer in all 50 states, and I'm also a notary. And right now, I just wanted to share with you because I'm also a credit advocate, and I want to share with you some things that can help you to build your credit score. Most people have heard of SELF. I'll say most people, but a lot of people have heard of SELF, the program. And it is a really great program. We have a couple of ones that we work with, and this is one of the ones which can help to boost your credit score. Maybe you're trying to get into that home. That's what I deal with mostly because I am a real estate agent. But if you're trying to get your credit score up so that you can get that car, or you just want your credit score up there so whenever you need it, it's there and available and ready. So let's talk about it and see what this program looks like to see if it's for you. If it is for you, let me know. I'll be glad to send you this link so you can get started. So let's look here at SELF. There are so many different products that we have available. The first one, well, first off, before I do that, you see it says get ready for liftoff, and it says customers who make an on-time payments usually see an average of 49 points credit score going up. Now that's pretty good, right? 49 points? That's fantastic. All you gotta do is put your email address and get started. So let's talk about some of the different programs that SELF has. One of the ones that SELF has is a credit builder account. And that's where you actually get a loan from the bank and then you're able to pay it off in monthly installments. And so this is an awesome way to get started. If you want to do that, you have the 24 months to actually do that and get started on that. So that's a fantastic way to get going because we do know, as you see here, that your payment history for your credit is 35% of your credit score. So you definitely want to build that credit score up by getting your payment history in place there. And then also, let's look at the next one, credit card itself, a self credit card. So what does that look like? That looks like this. You see it here. You open up a credit builder account, and then you have to meet these requirements that you see here. You have to have money in the account, 3 months, paying on time. And then once you've had this account, and they'll, connect you so you can get the account. You have to have $100 or more in savings. Keep it there as you in there. And then as you see the next thing on there, add or update your income or expenses, and then keep your account in good standing. Once you've done that, 3 months has passed, then you're able to apply for a credit builder account, and then you can see what happens next. You can choose your credit limit, has to be at least $100. You can order your card, you'll receive it, then get it activated, and then you just start tracking it and paying on time. And SELF will do the reporting to help get your credit score up to where it needs to be. And SELF does report to all three credit bureaus. And then you can see here, it talks a little bit more about the benefits of having that credit builder card. So there's just so many different benefits for it. It says your next tool for building credit. You can see this here on there. And I won't go through and read all those, but you can see them there for yourself. There's just a lots of opportunity through this SELF program. The last thing I wanted to talk about, or kind of second to the last thing, is actually the rent reporting. That's one, if you're renting and you know I'm going to be renting for a little while, why not get into this right now? I mean, this is just fantastic. You can live there, pay your rent on time, and then get it reported to all three credit bureaus. Get something out of that. You're renting, get something out of it. That's what I'm saying. So you can look here to see what you can do here on there. You be able to get the account. Let me show you down here what it looks like here. And there are two options on this, which I love about it. But it says level up with more payments. You can add your rent, cell phone, utilities, and your payments. Then you'll be paying like $7. I'm about to say 70, sorry, $7 a month for that. And then you can do up to 5 payments each month. And then they report it to all three credit bureaus within 72 hours. I love that about this program. And then you can see here, so you can compare these programs. So the one program, it is free, and you can actually report your rent and it'll track your credit score. You can see that here. Now the other, if you want all of these options, then you need to click on, I want to pay $6.95, $7 a month, so that they will report this to the credit bureaus, and then you can report your bills, your credit, or you also monitor your credit, and then also you'll have identity theft insurance to up to $1 million coverage. So this gives you an idea of all the different things that you can use through self. And then the last thing I did want to mention to you is let's not wait. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Let's go ahead and get started on it. The sooner you get started, the sooner things will turn around and change for you. I love to say the longer you wait, the longer you wait. So I'm going to encourage you, send me a message, say, hey, Michelle, I'm ready to start. I'm ready to get going on this credit builder program here with Self. We also have another one available as well that I can share with you, or you may have seen my video on Rental Karma. So that's another great one as well. But just let me know. My main goal is letting you know that it is time to get started. Don't procrastinate anymore. Procrastination is the thief of time. I'm sure you may have heard that before. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.